Hi, welcome back to Wine Mastery. We are going to taste a Malbec all the way from Argentina, which actually is where a lot of Malbec comes from.
Yes, indeed. Yes, yes.
And we're going to taste it now. So this particular wine is the Trivento Golden, not Grand, but
not Grand
Golden Reserve. So here's the bowl in case you get to look at it in the wine aisle. Mm-hmm. And let's also get to the pain point.
Just get it out, John. Get it out. It's like ripping a band-aid off. Go on.
£16.
£16. Ooh, John.
I know it's going to be outside my comfort zone. This.
Well, I'm well aware, John. I'm well aware. And I'm anything over the tenner, and then you get a bit sweaty, a bit anxiety.
Yeah, a little bit anxiety.
But it's all right. Let's have a go. Let's see. It might be worth every penny of that.
Let's hope so.
Okay. So first colour, John.
Oh dear. Oh.
Come on, we can do this.
We can do this. We can do this.
I'm here for you, John. There you go. Oh, it's got that's got that ruby. Oh yeah, a nice ruby colour in there with a.
It has actually, isn't it?
Yeah, but something. Yeah.
Just edging towards purple. Just
edging. Again on that.
I love edging.
Yeah, stop that.
Well, I like it just meant something.
Yeah, I understand, John.
On the cusp. It's not one thing on.
No, this is just a reminder. This is a wine channel, but let's carry on.
Okay.
Oh dear me. Okay, John.
So.
Right, yeah, let's.
Right,
so we got the.
Let's go on the nose, shall we?
Let's do it. I think we should really quick. So, right, I'm gonna have a go. Oof, I told you, my side hurts. Right.
It's quite delicate, isn't it? It's not something you have to actually take a full intake to.
It's not forthcoming, is it?
I'd be pretty proud. It was forthcoming. It was.
It's going from bad to
be really proud of the wine.
Bad to worse, this one, isn't it? I should know better, and I do apologise. Oh, I'll just get my breath for a second.
No, you should be proud if it's forthcoming.
It is proud in itself.
Yeah, but it's not. It's not forthcoming in the same way.
No, definitely not, John. No, definitely not. I can't even smell this. All right. Concentrate. So, what we've got? Malbec, £16 Malbec.
Yeah. I don't really. It seems to have a lot of acidity there rather than fullness, if you know what I mean.
I'm getting. Yeah, it's not. I expected this to be a lot more from the notes and the price. I know. Don't want to keep reminding you, but from the notes and the price, I expected this to be outstandingly, a beast, and I know a decent Malbec is like, and this just isn't. It's not really getting there for me.
No, it seems a bit delicate at the moment, doesn't it?
Let's have a
go on then.
Yeah, let's have on the
palate. There's a bit more power there on the palate, certainly. It's got quite an aggressive, acidic aftertaste. Not too strong, just on the cusp for me again. Not sort of. Is it too much or not? I'm not quite sure. Tolerable or.
I'm getting too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're completely correct there, John. For me, there's not enough flavour to back yourself up. It gives you an initial bite, and I can't tell you what that is just yet, but I'll have another taste. But then almost dissipates immediately with your tannins, then tickles back with another flavour, but which is just not enough. And I'm going to have another go, see if we can find those flavours.
Certainly. So if you got if you said that the taste is from A to B, so halfway between A and B, that's when the taste sort of starts to decline quite quickly, and you're left with this sort of tannin.
Yeah.
Up to the halfway mark, it's quite nice. It's actually, but then it just the shutter comes down.
Yeah.
And now after, I'm just going to get the taste back a bit.
I'm actually wincing a little bit at the amount of tannins that are in there.
Yeah.
That's really, really heavy on the tannins. And you know what? I mean, food might sort that out, but it's got nothing. If you've got the food to take the tannins away, then you've not got much flavour anyway. Is what I'm saying. You know, what's it gonna? You know, well, we'll come to that in a bit. Yeah, there's no.
At least my mouth feels a little bit dirty as well.
I know what you mean. Because it's not. Well, this is because this ranks quite high, doesn't it? It's got some.
Yeah, I think it's won some awards, 93 points and stuff. So.
Wouldn't be from me.
16 quid.
Those £16. That's not shy.
No.
It's not shy at all.
No. You expect it to be just about. I mean, I think I have to say that I've £10 bottles I've tasted that are actually certainly as good as this, if not better.
Oh yeah. Well, we've had cheaper, with £8 bottles, so half the price. You could have 2 bottles of that. He's gonna have dreams about that tonight now. I know. But no, but £8. We've had some. Well, we could go in further back, but yeah, that's it's just not my thing, that one. And I do like Malbec, but again, it's just not really got anything going for it. I can't see. There's nothing. And without, you know, we're always trying to find something good in the game. We always say that's my palate. It's not yours.
Yeah.
Horses for courses, all that kind of business, but that is just not my kind of wine.
No. I mean, I think it's okay, but not for £16.
Yeah, if for £16 it needs to be more than okay.
Yeah. I mean, if we were talking £8-10, then yeah.
You'd be like, yeah, £8 or £10 with that. Okay, I'm getting a smell of tea now as well.
Sorry?
Tea.
Tea?
Earl Grey tea.
Earl Grey tea?
Earl Grey tea, yeah. I don't know where that's...
That's lemons. There's got lemon in it, isn't it? Earl Grey.
Oh, do I put lemon in there?
I'm not getting that at all.
No.
I'm not getting tea at all.
No. Go on, what about some pairings with this then? I'm excited to have a think about this one.
Okay, well, I think that a juicy red steak, roast beef, but not a well done roast beef, a rare beef with the blood still, you know, red in the middle, and I think that probably would counteract that last bit of the tannins, so together. But I almost feel like I'm doing that in order to make the wine nice, rather than actually to make a fantastic blend. Yeah,
to complement the two, get the two. That's what we're looking for, is the matching, isn't it? And the poetry that goes with that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's tough. I mean, I'm thinking of cheese rapidly going through. Thinking, well, I'd rather wouldn't have the wine. I'd just sit and eat cheese.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I know. But if I were to put cheese with that, then I'd probably go some awkward smoked, and it's very
awkward smoked.
Awkward smoked. It's a smoked cheddar, so any smoked cheddar would do you.
Okay.
And I'm only saying that because I think that very few and far between I would offer a smoked cheese with a wine, but I think the smoked cheese would kind of take the flavour away from that. without sounding horrible in that way. I think I could enjoy that together.
Yeah, yeah. A bit like me, I'm looking at food that will try and deal with that big aftermath, rather than actually saying, together they make a wonderful taste.
Definitely, John.
That's sad, isn't it? Especially it costs £16. Very, very
£16. That's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money.
Well, but for a wine, which we've said it before, we've had wines at a much better price and tasted much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can get that tea.
No, I still can't get that. Okay, well let's move on to scoring, shall we?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's delay the agony.
Yeah. So scoring wise, I mean, I'm not going to be brutal with it. It is what it is. It's £16. I don't recognise it as a Malbec. I don't like it personally. I think it's too expensive. So apart from that, so I'm gonna be fairly. But again, this is just my opinion, and I'm gonna go. There we go.
77.
Oh, I went right down on 65.
Did you? Oh wow.
But I did. I that personally for me that was something that I didn't just not enjoy, but I actually disliked it. Do you know?
Yeah, I know. I must admit. I mean, I think perhaps £16. I wasn't giving enough credit for the price. And you know, it's not bad. It's not, but actually for £16 it is. So maybe I should sort of put it down more.
No, you gave it the score you gave it, and I think we were both fair with it. And it's a personal thing, but yeah, that for me is.
Yeah, but you expect me with £16. You expect me to come down a lot heavier than you.
Yeah, and I would have expected that as well. And I think, oh well, is what it is.
Yeah. Okay, guys, if you disagree with us, please feel free, leave the comments below. Let us know what you think. If you think there's something better that would match, again, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to give us the thumbs up and press the little bell so that when we release a new video, you will be notified. So until the next time, guys, we look forward to sharing a glass of wine with you that hopefully is cheaper and better.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.